In this video we are talking about if Loom continues his bullish move to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. In the last weeks we saw this crazy pump from Loom. From the down to the top we saw a move about 1000%. So this is a crazy explosion and right now we are not in a bull run. Also on the daily chart we can see that we are exploding in just one direction. So now the question is, can we continue this movement or do we see a crash to the downside? As you can see on the daily chart we are clearly in a bullish structure. We are seeing higher lows all the way and higher highs. And you can see that we break this last highs right here with this weekly body close. So we broke all massive resistance areas to the upside. Also on the 4-hourly chart you can see that we are clearly in a bullish structure. But we have this massive wick right here. As I'm always saying in my videos, this massive wicks are signs for liquidity grabs, and the chance that we are seeing a retracement from this big wicks or a trend switch is really high. As you can see we had this bullish candle right here. This bullish candle came to the upside and the selling pressure was so high that we came from this top to the down right here, and then we saw this bearish move to the downside. And on the hourly time frame you can see that we have this order block right here which pushed to the last high, and after this high we saw this rejection to the downside and we came through this order block. So this is the first bearish sign for Loom. But as you can see we came here, also saw this wick right here. We came slightly lower than this low but not with a body close, and after we took the liquidity we came to the upside and pushed through the order block. So right now I would be really careful because on the 4-hourly or daily time frame we are clearly in a bullish structure, but as you can see on the hourly time frame, as we broke this order block to the downside, this is the first really bearish sign with this liquidity grab also right here. So now it's really important how we react at these prices. If we are coming to the downside and if we are breaking this low to the downside, then the chance is high that we are moving to even lower levels. Then I think the next important area is this order block right here, because from this order block right here we saw this immense bullish push to the upside. So the chance is high, if we are coming to this order block and if we are seeing a bullish reaction right here, that the chance is high that we are going to even higher levels again. But as you saw on the last days, for Loom everything is possible. So there is the chance that we are going now to the upside, and if we are seeing a strong bullish move to the upside and if we are breaking this high right here, then the chance is high that we are seeing much higher prices for Loom. But as I said, they are the first bearish signs for Loom, so I would be very careful with long positions. I think the chance is high that we are seeing a larger retracement, and I think the chance is high that we are seeing a support right here in this order block, or if we are breaking this order block to the downside, then I think that we are seeing some support in this demand zone. And if we are seeing a bullish in this order block or in this demand zone right here, then I would move into a long position to go to higher levels. But if anything interesting happens for Loom, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Loom. So all in all, we saw this explosive move to the upside, and right now Loom is still running. We don't see lower lows on the daily time frame or on the 4-hourly time frame, but I would be really careful because the chance that we are seeing a larger retracement to the downside is very high. So please be very careful. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.